you've ever driven on a completely flat tire, here's what it does to the inside of the tire. On this particular tire, when it went completely flat, I drove it about 1,000 feet to an auto parts store and put in a can of slime, hoping I could save it. But the tire wouldn't hold any air, and the reason why was in the first 1,000 feet of the rim being completely flat and on the sidewall of the tire. You can see where it gouged out the sidewall of the tire, and the tire was unusable after that. It was pouring rain that night, and I ended up just driving the car home at 5 miles an hour or less, a distance of 3 miles, and look at the damage that was done inside the tire. This is rubber that got chewed off the sidewalls, and that puddle there is what's left of the slime. And I do like slime. It's a very good product, but by the time I put it in this tire, the tire was too far damaged for the slime to work. So the lesson learned here is if you have your rims completely on the sidewall on a completely flat tire, don't even drive at 1,000 feet, or it's going to be a totally ruined tire on the inside like this one.